What's up, y'all? Y'all want to be bad? Let's make these fried Oreos comfort food. So of course we need some Oreos and some dried ingredients, some flour, baking powder, baking soda, some sugar, some milk and eggs, some honey, salt, a mixing bowl, and a pan of some vegetable oil. Don't try to be all healthy with your oil because you're already eating a fried dessert. Just go on and get the vegetable oil. So we're going to start off with our flour, and that'll be just 1 cup. And this makes 20 Oreos. Then you want to add in a teaspoon of baking soda and baking powder. A half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to stir in the dry ingredients. Then we'll add in a half a cup of sugar, a half a cup of milk, a teaspoon of honey. And with the milk, you can kind of just pour it in as needed. Once it gets to a batter like that, like a loose pancake batter, you have enough milk. I kind of just poured it in to get it to the consistency that you see. So then you just drop the Oreo in, get you a spoon to coat the top. You don't want to let it sit in there fast. You have to move quickly because you don't want the Oreo to get soggy. You want to have this preheating. Once you get everything mixed in, go ahead, put the oven on medium low. You want to cook them low because you want them golden brown. And the more you have the grease on, the faster they cook. So you can kind of lower it as you go per batch. I put in about 4 to 5 per batch because you do want to give them some space to cook and not overcrowd the pan. Once you see it's kind of golden brown at the bottom, at that point you can flip them. It goes really quick, guys. It's probably 45 seconds. No, I'll say about a minute total. A minute and a half max. So it's like really golden crispy on the outside, and then the inside is light and fluffy and soft and full of Oreos. And then that batter is just, you get that hint of honey. That's the kicker right there. That's what makes it so good. So yeah, you see I'm going fast and then I'm flipping and flipping. You got to get the flick of the wrist going with this. And that is it. We got every shade of the rainbow in there because I should have put the heat on lower. But yeah, that is it. Very simple. I will include the ingredients and the measurements in the description box as always. And y'all know the deal. Let everybody know. It don't matter who it is. The stripper, your priest, your enemy. Just let everybody know. Thank y'all.